Last year, Ashneer Grover was making the headlines because of a bitter feud with the company Bharat Pay, which he co-founded. Now he's back grabbing headlines because of a 81 crore rupees fraud case. The co-founder of digital payments company Bharat Pay has been named in a police complaint for embezzling crores of rupees. The Economic Offences Wing of the Delhi Police has filed a first information report or FIR against Ashneer Grover, his wife Madhuri Jain Grover, family members and others for allegedly committing various crimes involving fraud, forgery, cheating and breach of trust. The FIR includes 8 counts of serious criminal offences. It was registered on Wednesday based on a criminal complaint filed by Bharat Pay in December, which accused him of stealing company's money to fund a flamboyant lifestyle. The FIR accuses Ashneer Grover and others of criminal breach of trust, criminal conspiracy, cheating, dishonesty, and forgery. If found guilty, they could face life imprisonment. The filing comes after a 5-month investigation by Delhi Police, which Bharat Pay has welcomed as a step in the right direction. Bharat Pay stated that the FIR would enable agencies to investigate deeper into the scandal and help bring those responsible to justice. The company has promised to extend all cooperation to authorities in the investigation. According to the FIR, Ashneer Grover and his family members engaged in sham transactions and embezzlement of 71.76 crore rupees. Other allegations include illegitimate payments of 7.6 crore rupees to bogus consultants based on 86 false and forged invoices, inflated and undue payments through pass-through vendors connected to the accused persons, and input tax credit and payment of penalty to GST authorities of 1.66 crore rupees. The FIR also accuses the defendants of making dishonest and illegal payments to travel agencies based on false and fabricated invoices, personal enrichment through reimbursements, using self-created fake and forged invoices, and destruction of evidence by Madhuri Jain Grover. Ashneer Grover had found himself in the midst of the scandal last year after he sought damages from the bank boss Uday Kotak, alleging Kotak Mahindra Bank declined to finance a personal investment. Since resigning from Bharat Pay, Grover has floated a fantasy sports application called CrickPay and shaped his career with appearances on podcasts and reality television shows. He is yet to comment on the charges filed against him. In the past, he has denied any wrongdoing.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.